Good day to you guys. I want to welcome you guys to my YouTube channel. If you're watching this channel for the first time, consider subscribing and turn on the notification bell icon so that you don't miss my valuable videos anytime I drop them. In today's videos, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to generate images with AI, all for free. Yes, you've been seeing different trending AI images. I believe with this video, you will know how to generate images for yourself. Yes, you know how to create AI trending images. I'll be using two websites for you guys. Two websites, yes. Just follow my step. They are very easy to use and straightforward. And the first thing we are going to go over is go to the search for Bing AI image generator or image. Bing AI image. So you can see the first one, image designer. So you are going to click on the first link. So as you can see, straightforward, join and create. So let's click on join and create. We click on join. But once we click on join, we'll be asked to log into our account. Yes, if you already have Microsoft account, you can log in, and if you don't have, actually I have, but I will just want us to walk us through how to create one. It's very easy. So you create just your name, email, and you'll be sent verification code to your email, and you verify it. You understand? So let's proceed. I would have loved to sign, but I don't want any. You see it now. Then we'll provide email. Let's provide it. I will slot in email. You can even use phone number. I'll be using email. You can see. Let's wait for them to notify us. So as you can see, my first name, last name, then next, which country are you from, then your month, your date of birth, you select it, not compulsory, and you have corrected date of birth there. Proceed. Then the verification code will be sent to the email. So now I'll have the code, and I'll have to verify it. So let me check, and I've gotten the mail. So now that's it. Then next, so I haven't done that, and I'll just sign in. My account has been created, and they will do confirmation, yes, verification that I'm not a robot. Just use the arrow to point where the hand is pointing to, where the finger is pointing to, rather. So now this is the second verification, and I'm good to go. I think it's like about 5. So thank God I even go through the registration process. So, and that's done. Verification has been done. So now let's move on to the creation of the image. Let's move on. What we just need to do now is just to put in the prompts. Whatever I want to create, we just put in there. Okay. So now, then I've already created. As you can see, I'm in already. So from this now, we'll see different images already on the ground. You see, as template. But for me, I just want to create an image. Let's slot in the image now. This is a prompt. It will be asking us, what do we want to create? Just tell him, create or a guy inside a car with a lady presenting gifts. So you give him prompt, whatever you want to create, blah 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 blah. You just write prompt. You can see it's creating. It's creating. You can see it here, creating. So once it's done creating, you will see it. You're gonna see it. So we can create as many images as we want. That's how to create trending image. So let's wait for it to get done. It's creating. So as we are waiting for it to get done, okay, it's done already. It's done already. Network, you did it, so blah blah. Network. How's the network process? You see, they have a lot of people using it. The prompt has been blocked. Our system automatically flag a prompt that is a conflict of. Okay. Let's write a couple running on the road. Okay, so that prompt, they are telling me that the prompt is something, you understand, as you can see it. They say the prompt is not, the prompt is like misleading. You understand? So now we've slot in another one. And it's creating already. Once it's done creating, we'll see the images. And I wanted to, instead of us be waiting for the name of another website called styler.com, styler.ai. That's the name of the second website we'll be using, styler.ai. Thank God this one I've already created. As you can see, these are the images. So now it depends on whichever one we want. You can choose this and choose another one, and we can see even we can rewrite the prompt we want. You can see it. You can tell the prompt that we want a black and white man, a black and once we are okay with it, we just click on download, and it will download automatically. So it has already downloaded in no time. So let's preview it. As you can see, this is it. That's how to create AI images. So the second website is called stylo.ai. This website is overflooded. As you can see, we will have to wait for 11 minutes before we can sign up. So I won't want to make this video long. I will make sure I create another video on this as well, so that we can know how to create images with this website. So thank you for watching this video. By now I hope you know how to create images with AI. So see you in my next video.